Hi, I'm Teacher Aaron. Welcome to my story time. Boys and girls, do you like pizza? Do you like cookies? Do you like bread? Oh, yes, I do too. Today, our story is about baking. Baking pizza, baking cookies, baking bread. Baking is very fun. Our story is baking. We baked the pizza. Boys and girls, how does pizza taste? Yes, very good. Pizza tastes very, very yummy. We baked the bread. Boys and girls, what can you make with bread? Yes, you can make sandwiches with bread. We baked the pies. Boys and girls, what can you bake in a pie? You can bake apples in a pie. You can bake cherries. You can bake grapes. You can bake blueberries in a pie. You can bake many pies. We baked the brownies. Boys and girls, what is in a brownie? Chocolate is in a brownie. Brownies are very yummy. I love chocolate. We baked the cupcakes. Boys and girls, what color are the cupcakes? Yes, the cupcakes are pink, brown, and yellow. How many cupcakes can you see? I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cupcakes. We baked the cookies. Boys and girls, how many cookies can you see? I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cookies. Oh, yum, yum, yum. We baked the cake. Boys and girls, what color is the cake? Yes, the cake is yellow, green, and red. How does the cake taste? The cake tastes sweet. S-W-E-E-T. Sweet. We baked cupcakes, cookies, cake, brownies, bread, pizza, and pie. Oh, boys and girls, are you hungry now? Yes, I am very, very hungry too. I think I will eat pizza! I'm Teacher Aaron. Thank you for reading a story with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you very soon. Take care. Bye for now.